The Supreme Court will resume hearing on April 17th a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. A bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna, along with Justices Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Vishwanathan, heard the matter on April 16th and indicated its willingness to issue a notice and pass a brief interim order. However, the centre and several state governments requested time to file their responses before any interim directions are issued. The matter will be taken up again at 2 p.m. on April 17th. During the proceedings, the court proposed an interim arrangement that could be put in place while the petitions are being heard. It suggested that properties already recognized as Waqf by judicial orders, whether through a formal deed or by long-term religious use, should not be removed from the Waqf list during the pendency of the case. The court also said that a new provision in the amended law, which halts the recognition of Waqf status while a collector investigates whether the land belongs to the government, should not be implemented for now. In addition, the bench proposed that members of the Waqf boards and the Central Waqf Council should be exclusively Muslim, except for those holding ex officio positions. The court also expressed interest in transferring all similar cases from various high courts to the Supreme Court so they can be heard together. The apex court asked the centre whether it's willing to allow Muslims to be a part of Hindu religious trusts. At the end of the hearing, Chief Justice Khanna voiced concern over the violence that occurred in West Bengal in response to the new amendments.